piece is worn into nose. ऐसे ऐसी पे the verb te the but patta. In English we say floor. Panna pe the verb no the panna panna. In English this is the plural of the leaf. Leaves. The plural of the leaf is the plural of leaf is leaves. More leaf. Okay. Ye the verb no the panna ganna. This is the upper part of the X. We can say that the upper part of the X is called in Sindhi ganna. Ye the verb no the panna ganna. See here. Gadarga bedarpa gappa. Gappa means some dirt is present in soil and very difficult to go in that way. This is called gappa in Sindhi. Gappa. In English we say dirt. D-I-R-T. Dirt. Gassa. It is the way or track. Gadarga sinvasa gassa. In English we say track. Gadarga nudamana kanna. It means plural of ears. Plural of ear. Ear means one nose, one ear, and plural of the ear is the ears. Kanna. Dara. Dara ka matlab hai doors. The plural of door. Doors. Hedabar ha, thedabar hatta. It means two hands. Two, more than two. More than one, sorry. Hands. Means hatta. Ghar. Ghar mein hedabar ghar, hedabar ghar. In English we say house. Houses. This is the plural of house. See here. Badaka. Bedarba, dalabada, kadarka, badaka. We say in English duck. Dedaba, dhaldabada, kadarka, nebajano, duckano. In English we say lid. Dedabada, nedabada, janya. We say bridal procession. In Asia, bridal procession celebrated in groom's house when the marriage took place. See here, in another way to write half letters. In English we insert some letters. For an example, A, it is written, A is a capital, A is a small ABC. It is used in between or in between letters. So it is in Sindhi we called half letter. Half letter is used also. Full letter is, this is the full letter and this is a half letter. See here. This is a full letter alif. This is a half letter. In English A is used. In B, bay, this is a half letter of the bay. In English we use B, bay. This is a full letter and this is the half letter. Bay. In English BH is used. Small ABC is used. Okay. Now come here. Te. This is a te. This is a half letter. This is a complete letter. See here. T is used in English. The. This is a half letter. TH. In English it is used. Te. This one is a half letter. TA. Pe. This is a half. This is a complete letter of the Sindhi and this is the half letter of P. In English P is used. Jim. This is a half letter. J. In J, English, J. J, in English, JH is used. JH is used. JH is used. Ch, we say here, this is a half letter. Ch, C, in English, CH. Small ABC. Small C and H. Che, this is a che. Half is used. This is a full letter of Sindhi. This is a half letter in Sindhi. CHH. High H is used. Khai. Look here. This is a full. This is a half. KH is used. Dal. This is a dal. D. Dal. DH. Dal. This is a half letter dal. DH. Dal. Dal. DH used. Dal. DH is used. Now come here. R. This is one is the R. R. Ray. This is a ray. The half letter ray. The RH, Z in English, Z is used. Seen in English, small ABC, S is used. Sheen, this is the half letter of the Sindhi sheen, and this is the English SH is used. Swad, this one is the half. Zwad, this one is the half. Z is used. Swad, for swad, S is used. But it is in a small ABC. Okay, come here. Toy, T is used. Zoy, Z is used. Ein, this is often. A is used. Gain, GH is used. Fe, we use PH. PH is used for the fe, or AF is used. This is the same way. Calf, this is a QU. Calf, K is used. KH is used. GH is used. GH is used. GH is used. L is a lam. L is used. Come here. Meme, this is a half letter of the meme, and in English, M is used. Similarly, we see M. N, noon half. N, similarly, is used. Re means NH is used. NH. Okay. Wow, W and V is also used. But it is written in a small letter. In English, small ABC letter. Okay. H is used. Hamza, A is used. In Sindhi, Y is used. Okay, come here. Some sentence has been written here for your practice. You can practice yourself. I have made half this solution in English. I have also written their meanings in English. You see there, and then you should make yourself. Okay, we will come here. Do yourself. Practice. Make some sentence. Okay, ma. You can write here ma. Just like same as here I have written. This is the maternal uncle. Baba. You should write here. Ba. The father. Nala, drainage line. Kana, it means weeds, straws through which a hut is made. Mana, agreed. Na. It's the same. In English, mana is translated as agreed. Okay. Tata means bye. Gaba, oxen, plural of ox. Okay. Java, born. Java. In English, it is translated in born. Okay. Tala, lock. It means lock. Khara. You should write here, and then in English, cracks. In river side, the water flows into the cities or villages. It is called crack. Dada means grandfather. It is a paternal relation. It's called Dada in Sindhi. So practice me. Mama, Baba, Nala, Kana, Mana, Tata, Gaba, Java, Tala, Ghara, Dada. This is the lesson number 2 has been completed now. Inshallah, we will come next with the second pronunciation chart. Inshallah, we will learn all of these things. Till then, bye, Khudafis.